Here are some highlights from the December issue of Cleaner magazine for drain and pipe cleaning, inspection, and rehabilitation professionals. Hydrovac work doesn't stop when the digging's done. The mess has to go somewhere. For NCM Hydrovac, that somewhere became the start of something bigger, a purpose-built soil recycling plant that's setting a new bar for how vac waste gets managed in Canada. This fully enclosed processing plant recycles everything from slurry to sand, keeping their trucks rolling and their community cleaner. A customer walked into the shop with brownies, wine, and a hug, all because one crew did the right thing. Western Router and Plumbing isn't out to squeeze every dollar from a job. They're out to earn trust the old-fashioned way, by being fair, honest, and fixing what's actually broken. Septic work is dirty, dangerous, and absolutely necessary. From explosive methane pockets to oxygen-starved spaces, the risks are real. And this is the guide every tech should read before ever going near a tank. A root the size of a baseball bat sneaking through a tank seal isn't just a story, it's a wake-up call. We explore the surprising truth about roots, mounds, and what really clogs your septic systems. It's not just about throwing in a tankless unit and calling it done. This feature walks through the numbers, the flow rates, and the temperature rise that separate a job done right from a customer left in the cold. NASTT's Good Practices courses and the 2026 No Dig Show offer hands-on learning, updated CIPP guidance, and the kind of real-world insights that make your next project smoother, safer, and more profitable. When your jetter is older than some of your crew, you know it's time for a change. Zern Plumbing found a replacement that could handle their grueling schedule without breaking a sweat. Whether you're slicing through failed liners, testing tight bends, or blasting blockages with high-pressure jetting, this lineup is about machines that make your work faster, cleaner, and smarter. The rigid Sea-Snake Mini Pro gives you clear, upright visuals no matter how tight the bends, a small camera built for big-time work. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.